call on. Thomas Mingation.
Hello, folks. We are going to be unboxing an exciting new product, and that is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. For those of y'all who don't know, I'm going on a whirlwind tour around the world. That's why it's called a whirlwind tour. And what I wanted to do is find a product that would enable me to take videos, wonderful quality, able to produce them and post-production activities and everything else. And what I've settled on is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So today, what we are going to be doing is unboxing this wonderful mini cam. See if you all can see it. This is what we will be unboxing today. So let's go ahead and take care of that. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to get updates on my travels to Thailand and Vietnam and parts of Africa, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can be among the first to be notified of all of my stops around Thailand. I'm going to be going to Bangkok, Pattaya, and some other locations throughout Bangkok, so that are going to be a surprise. So make sure you tune in for that. And then, of course, I'm going to Vietnam as well. I'll be in Ho Chi Minh City, or Saigon, as it was once called. Actually, it was once called Saigon. Now it's referred to as Ho Chi Minh City. We're going to do a bunch of videos about that. We're going to go to Hue, Vietnam. We're going to go to Da Nang. And I have a very special surprise location that made history around the world during the Vietnam War. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to do a standalone video on that particular location. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll just have to make sure you subscribe to my channel and check back and know. But I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed about that. But let's go ahead and dive right on into why you came here today. And that is the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, we are now going to do the open box of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. As you can see, they have it sealed very well. We have the brochures, the quick start guide. Let's see what we have here. They really make sure this is well protected, as it should. This is an over $600 piece of equipment. Oh, this carrying case is nice. And here it is, the DJI Pocket Gizmo. I'll put that right here. We have the lapel mic. Oh, that's nice. All right, this is the case. As you can see, there is room to put everything, all of your pieces of equipment inside this travel case. Travel case seems like it's water resistant. I wouldn't quite say it's waterproof, but it's water resistant. Yeah. And what do we have here? Let's go ahead and open these things. What's in here? I'll set that aside. Okay, this is a protective covering for your Pocket 3. And as you can see, it has little compartments to put your lens coverings on. And the way this would work is you would stick it inside here with the camera facing down, and that the gimbal is not moving and is protected. So it fits in there. And with this, you can put it in your pocket. It doesn't seem, nope, it does not shake out. And that prevents this from moving and also protects the screen and the camera lens. We'll put that right there. I'll put this here. And this is the mic that you would attach to your person. And if I'm not mistaken, this would be a wind reducer. And it is. Looks like a little mouse. And you would put that right in there like this. See? And so when you have wind, this wind diffuser will help ensure that the wind does not get in the way. And it clicks right in place. Okay, I'll set that right there. This is your charging cable. This appears to be, yes it is, it's the handle, tripod handle, mini tripod handle. I'll put that right there. And I believe this is our battery pack. Extend battery. A hand lanyard to keep everything in place. And this, what do we have here? Aha! This actually is a handle extender. And I believe the way that this would work is you would attach it like so, the groove edges on the same side. There you go, hear it click. It's in place. Okay. And what you would want to do for the tripod is you would screw this here. And now there's this extender. I actually like the feel of this. This actually feels really good in my hand. I have large hands. And what I'm going to do later is I'm going to do a standalone video on certain functions of this after we do a complete setup. But I absolutely love this. You set it up like this. Okay. I love how this works. It adds some grip. It very easily comes apart. There you go. And that's how you turn it on. You turn it off. And it locks in place. You push it, hold it down, and the light goes off. So as you can see, all the parts are very small, easy to use, compact. I absolutely love how that is. It works in such a way that it fits right into the protective covering. So there you have it, folks. This is the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And once again, I will do a standalone video on the functionality of this product, but I'm very excited about it. So let me know down in the comments section below if you think that this is a wonderful product. Well, there you have it. That was the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm going to do another video once I, start working it and give you a total review, an unbiased review. I'm not being paid for this, by the way. So you will be getting an unbiased review of all the features of this product. But initially, I can tell you, I am very excited about all the possibilities, particularly because I'll be traveling to these locations by myself. I'll be in Vietnam by myself. I'll be throughout Bangkok by myself. And I wanted to have a recording device that will take great quality picture, record great quality sound, so that when I produce it and send it to you all will have something that is memorable and it's like you're there with me. So if you have any ideas about other accessories that should go with this product, go ahead and leave that comment down below. And with that, I wish you all blessings and blessings. Shalom.
Call on, call on, call on. Thomas Mingation.